And Paul's just going to walk us through a way and an equipping for forgiveness. So go ahead and take it, Paul.
So this is a template that we walk people through, kind of a methodical step-by-step way to forgive someone. And we usually have them repeat it out loud. I won't have you repeat it out loud this morning, but you can just do this in the quiet of your own mind. And so I want you to just imagine just an offense, something that's bothering you, something that somebody said to you or did. It doesn't have to be the biggest one in your life, but just something. Imagine that person, and then just kind of quietly repeat in your mind after me, and you can just say their name, and then maybe say what their relationship is to you. It may be, you are my brother, or you are my coworker. And then just repeat in your mind, I'm grateful for how our lives have intersected, because often the people we forgive are close to us. And then say, but there are some things that I needed from you. And you can start to list those out. What I needed from you was, and maybe it was honesty, faithfulness, transparency, whatever those things are. And then the important part, say, today I choose to forgive you. And I cancel the debts that you owed me of whatever those were: honesty, faithfulness, courtesy. And Lord, please forgive me for any way that I have held on to my bitterness against that person's name. And just say that person's name in your mind again, and say, I bless you to be the man of God or the woman of God that he designed you to be, in Jesus' name. And it's important to, you can open your eyes if you had your eyes closed, but it's important to bless a person at the end as well, because we're not just releasing them. We want them to become what God has designed them to be. And if they did something that was wrong or offensive or sinful, then they're not living out the destiny that God has designed for them.